everybody, how you guys doing? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in and for watching this video blog. So today's video is just a vlog of me heading off to the spa. Haven't been to the spa in a long time, so I'm very excited to be going. As you can see, I have no makeup on. I'm ready just to get my facial on, get massages on. I'm still contemplating whether I want to do my nails because my nails need to be done, but I don't know because I've been doing them myself, so yeah, we'll see. But yeah, this is the outfit that I'm wearing. I've got my long winter coat on, I've got a hoodie on, and then I just have some black leggings and some Vans trainers. But yeah, just a basic outfit. Got my hat on because it's quite windy and cold outside, and yeah, the light is not that great. You know, me having to use a light during the morning time, it just shows you how dark it is. We're definitely in the thick of winter, but anyway, we are not going to complain. We're going to the spa, so yeah, let go. Now made it to I've made it to the hotel where they have the spa. So where I'm going is Mercure Hotel in Cardiff. They have a spa there, so I'm gonna be receiving a facial and I think it's arm and hand massage and face massage, and then I'm gonna have afternoon tea afterwards, and then I have full access to all the facilities. So I've packed a bag. I've got some socks in there and an extra change of clothes and also my headband, because I know I'm going to be lying down and she's going to be doing a facial and everything, and girl's rocking a wig, so I just need to tie up my hair in a headband. I've got some socks, and then I've got some shorts underneath because they're going to give us robes, and I don't feel comfortable being in underwear in my robe, so having shorts on will do for me. And then I also brought some extra cream just in case you know, I need to moisturize my face after the facial. But other than that, yeah, I'm good and ready to go in. Yeah, just parked, so let's go in. It's freezing today, guys. It's really cold. It's really cold, and there's lots of traffic. I didn't expect traffic around this time of the day, but it is what it is. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and for, sorry, this lady was walking past and I think she realized that I was vlogging, so then she just looked down so that she doesn't see me seeing her. But anyway, so yeah, let's go into the spa. Hi guys, so I'm currently in the relaxation room, just waiting for my therapist to call me so I can have a facial done. And after that, I've got my afternoon tea, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, they gave me some lockers where I can put like all of my valuables in, but I didn't bring a £5 deposit to put a lock on it, so I didn't put all my valuables. It's just my clothes. My valuables are with me on my handbag. So yeah, I'm gonna have a treatment, and then I think after the treatment I'll go downstairs to change for my tea, or I'll go and have my tea depending on how long my treatment is. It's 50 minutes, so by 2:30 I should be done. So yeah, but I'm just gonna try and relax now I'll speak to you guys later. The lights are really dimmed. There's like a ocean sound, so yeah. Hey guys, so I've just finished off with the spa. I've put my clothes back on and my hat back on. How did I find it? I found the spa pretty good. Hold on, I just need to put my shades on because I don't know, I just feel like I'm exposed here. I've got no makeup or nothing. Okay, that's better. So how did I find the spa? My hands are dry. So how did I find the spa? So the spa was really good. I mean, for the price and the service that you get in terms of a 50-minute treatment, then you have free access to all the facilities like the gym, the jacuzzi, the swimming pool, etc. And then also the price included afternoon tea. That was really good. It's really good price. I'll leave all the information for this particular spa down below so that you can check them out if you want to use them as well. Right in the middle of Cardiff. Parking situation, the hotel has parking, its own designated parking, so you'd have to get a parking validation from them, and I think it's £2 every hour or something like that. But I parked on the public parking, and I think I paid, how much did I pay? I paid £6, but then I paid up until 5 o'clock. Well, 5:30. What time did I get here? I got here at 12:30 and I paid up until 5:30. So yeah, £6 for that. So I don't know if that's bad or good, but I guess it's not bad because yeah, I guess it's not that bad. And it's just a short walk to the hotel. In terms of the treatment was extremely relaxing. Like, if you're not careful, you end up falling asleep. I have this thing that when I'm with people that I don't know, that are not family or friends, I don't like to fall asleep around them unless I'm extremely tired. That's the only time I fall asleep. Otherwise, no, I don't believe in falling asleep in the hands of strangers. So yeah, overall I'll give it I'll give it a 7 out of 10. The reason why I would give it a 7 out of 10 instead of a 10 out of 10 is because I feel they need to update their furniture, 1, and 2, with how busy this spa is, they need to expand the size of the spa. I guess maybe because it's the holiday period, that's why it's quite busy. I don't know. However, the one that I used, I think it was another Mercure hotel, it was extremely quiet, like extremely quiet. it was very hard to tell who was there and who was not there. So in terms of that aspect, I think that's what they would need to improve on. But other than that, child, that was a really good experience. And the afternoon tea was really, really good. Their restaurant, really, 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 really good. I had this sandwich. It was like a tuna with red onion and what. I've never had that before, and it was so nice. I had to open it to see what was in the sandwich. I was like, I'm making this when I get home. It was a delicious sandwich. But overall, absolutely fantastic. So I'm gonna get to driving because it is now, what time is it? It is 3 o'clock and I will be hitting the motorway. So yeah, I don't want to hit the motorway when it's now like rush hour. So I'm gonna get going, but I'm gonna close the vlog here. It's a nice, sweet, short vlog. I haven't vlogged in a long time, but thank you guys for watching, and until the next video, bye guys.